That photo over there, I mean, that is going to be talked about when...
That took heart and soul.
Alrighty, BB. Catching on some of the...
cards that we got in the mail while we were gone. So packages, cards. So this one here, I like it.
Look out. What did you call me?
BB?
Oh, look out, ice hole.
BB and Cameraman, enjoy watching all your fun adventures. Have a Merry Christmas. Hope your holidays go smoothly. Katie.
Thank you.
I like that.
I just want to know, who's the polar bear wearing the green hat saying, look out, ice hole? And who's the one that said, what did you call me?
Right? And we have this one. Merry and Bright. You know that moment when the last ornament has been placed and you finally step back to see the tree as a whole. In a lot of ways, that is what the Christmas spirit is about. Taking a moment to look at the grand scheme of things and realizing that the bigger picture wouldn't be nearly as bright if people like you weren't part of it. Dear BB and Cameraman, thank you for your videos. I really enjoy them. Say Merry Christmas to Paco for me.
Paco says, gracias. Y a Merry Crema to you too.
Stating you love, peace, and joy this Christmas season, Lisa. So
that's one
you, Lisa.
Big old card there.
All right, and then this one here is from Matt and Stacy, and this one is
Rays on the Road. They're YouTubers.
Yeah.
They're Rays on the Road, Matt and Stacy.
So thank you very much, Matt and Stacy. All right.
All right, hang on. Katrina sent us, don't put sauce on the wings this time.
You hearing our girl?
And anyone who knew, I did a video where she sent this Food Lion
buffalo wing seasoning, and
I added the Frank's Red Hot to it.
Yeah. Oh, she did the lemon pepper too.
Got the lemon pepper, the buffalo.
Oh, and the garlic parmesan.
And the one down. When we were in
Food Lion, I was like, yeah.
When we were in Pooler, Georgia.
Yeah.
We did buy these packs.
All but the garlic parmesan.
Yeah.
Because I figured, well, I can put the garlic and parmesan on there. There's no biggie.
Right.
But thank you, Katrina. Thank you, thank you. And remember what she said. Don't put the sauce on the wings this time.
Right. I'm definitely not gonna. And this one here's from the Grinch.
I love it.
That is pretty awesome. They definitely know how to draw.
At least one of us do.
But I just want to know who the Grinch is. Is it you or me?
It's you. Ain't no doubt about that. It's you.
You're a mean one.
Mr. Grinch.
I know one thing, like, save that.
I am. You see, I'm being careful, okay?
No. Jeez, you don't even let me finish.
Because any other time he'll say,
goes,
just rip it open.
There goes 2026. The beginning. 2025 ends. Now I know who the Grinch is. That's who they drew. You.
I'm the cutest Grinch you'll ever see. How about them beans?
But yes, just want to let everyone know and thank everyone for all the Christmas cards.
Yeah. I'm saving it. I'm sorry. That was just too precious to get rid of. Someone took all their time.
Yeah, I said cut that part out and stuff.
Because, you know.
But,
that's what we said. Y'all don't.
for those who watch us, I mean, we just put how we feel, what mood we're in. It is what it is. There's no retake.
I ain't got time for retake. Sorry,
It's
people.
one shot. Put it together, get it out, have some fun. Like I've said a million times, we're like a Swiss Army knife. We got the fork, the spoon, the tail note, the
tail note. Okay.
The nail toe clipper. We shoot everything, so we are not one specific thing.
Oh,
now, I was gonna take a guess because when I was feeling the box, I'll be honest with you, I thought the front part was open, and it felt like when someone gives you like the cheese and the sauce and the gift things and stuff. No, I'm saying I was just taking a guess, but definitely this was nicely wrapped, and it does show from the heart. Not like Katrina's, who puts it in the yellow.
Leave that girl alone.
She could have wrapped that 3 times.
Well, apparently
but we do appreciate.
There's a reason she wrapped it as good as she did, by George. Oh, isn't that pretty?
That's the same sun we got on the ball.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Hang on one sec. All right. I mean, we just didn't want to show everything that was written there yet. But that is too funny. Someone got jokes. All righty, BB. Let's see who that's from.
BB and Cameraman, I thank you for your videos. Your trips to Lakeland and beyond are always entertaining. I am retired and recently started a hobby of painting with acrylics. Ooh, I love to do that myself. I just suck at it. At least on canvas. But anyway, initially initially I used colored pencils and switched to paints. I wanted to show you my appreciation to you. I decided to paint a shortened version of one of your thumbnails. She painted that.
Really? I thought that was a picture.
So did I.
Literally, I thought that was a picture. We have to show that again when you're done reading that. But I thought that was literally like a picture and someone put it through a copy machine.
I decided to paint a shortened version of one of your thumbnails. As you can see, I am an amateur. It was fun. It was fun in painting, though. I hope you enjoy, Carol.
All right, let's see that again.
Oh, wow. Maybe it's in here. We're going to see.
Uh-oh.
Now she's got me intrigued. Oh, boy.
I guess it's not a cheese and...
That's why she had it wrapped so well.
It says top. I know that much.
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh. I'm scared for you to open that.
Oh, my God. Look at that. That is absolutely...
Well, thank God I look good. That is awesome. That is awesome.
Hell yes.
Thank you. At least someone sees BB's real eyes and stuff.
Well, at least she could see them. Nobody else can. I like that, though. That is amazing.
Yeah. I mean, at least someone captures BB's eyes.
Yeah. I love it.
I just want to know, like, is that varicose veins I got there?
Yeah.
That came out nice. That is cool.
That is cool.
I'm serious. Like
Thank
that
you so
is
much,
awesome.
Carol. That is amazing. Well, this is going up in the living room.
In the living room?
Yeah.
And they caught your smile. I like that too.
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, because you're not
Amazing.
smiling. That came out nice,
That's
really.
it.
Like literally, that is awesome.
That is awesome.
It is.
I love it.
Where are we gonna put it? Let's go find a spot.
Yeah, let's go find a spot. Over the TV, maybe.
Know where we're gonna put it.
Where?
Take that middle photo out of me and you.
Okay.
And then go underneath my military thing, and we still have a picture of me and you there, and a picture of my grandparents.
Here we go. Yeah, we can.
You got to move it over to the left a little.
Oh. There we go.
There we go. There we go. That's where it's gonna stay.
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go.
I think you have to move the top over. That's why it leaned that way. There you go. Right. There you go.
I like it.
Well, there you go. That's where that picture will stay
Yes.
forever.
I love it.
It'll be right underneath that right there. So when people walk in the house, they can see it.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Well, that was amazing, BB.
That was amazing.
That's where that picture will stay
I love it.
for a very long time. Because we really don't hang a lot of pictures.
No.
So.
Nope. And my office is getting full.
You don't want to see the office.
Right now, you don't. My office looks like a time bomb had a damn.
Like a hoarder hit the room.
Yeah.
Even my back room.
For the
Where I
holidays.
keep my stuff in there. We're hoarding in the back rooms. We got to do a clean out and stuff.
Yeah, well, I need to do that too.
But no, that was amazing. I mean, that truly, like, literally.
You may be an amateur.
I love it. I mean, no.
You may be an amateur, but you did a damn good job.
No, that literally came out perfect. I swear I thought that was a thing of cheese or something from Walmart.
Oh, you did?
When I was feeling it. I was like, oh, it's pretty soft up in the front area there.
Fooled ya.
But, yep, we'll continue to check the mail from now till forever. And again, doesn't have to be for the holidays. You guys send something to the P.O. box, that's fine. I mean, if you want us to video it, that's fine.
If you don't, put a note in there and we won't video
Yeah,
it.
I mean, because like I said, there's times where we get stuff and we don't put it on video because some people just don't
want that.
They just, like, don't worry about putting it on the video.
Yep.
And stuff. And
we respect that.
yeah. But we always do send something back, like a thank you card or something. So if you happen to send a letter or something, and then, like I said, you see how we black out. You ain't got to worry about no one being exposed or anything.
Nope.
But that was amazing there.
And I love the Grinch.
The Grinch is cool. Yeah, that really caught her eye. When she came out with that package, she was all smiling like, look.
Yeah.
I was like, okay. It was like, at first it looked like a sticker. When you got closer, then it was like, oh, wow, someone drew that. But that photo over there, I mean, that is going to be talked about.
That took heart and soul.
Yeah, but I'm saying when people come over.
Oh, yeah, they're going to say, where'd you get that?
Yeah, when the kids come over.
Oh, yeah.
Or people come over, that's what they're going to see.
Yeah, I like that.
Right there.
That's amazing.
That is, I'm serious. Like,
I love it.
And we sit there a lot in the living room, so.
Yep.
We'll definitely be looking at that a lot. But thank you, everybody. Enjoy our videos. We're trying to get them out as we unpack.
Yeah.
And clean. And
tidy
relax. and think of new adventures and new places to go.
I'm trying to think of that instead of doing taxes.
Yeah, and tax time. Hopefully, you guys, man, tax
Oy.
time's coming. It's gonna be hectic. Like I
Yeah.
said, I just hope good things happen to everyone.
Yeah, BB's got spreadsheets from hell to do.
I hope these tax breaks and tax things that we're promised,
We get them.
we get more money, and we could start the new year.
And Katrina,
Right.
thank you.
Yeah, because we'll definitely be cooking those.
Yeah.
We got a lot of meat to cook.
I know, the past 3 days, I've just been craving wings.
But yeah, so definitely we're gonna take. Still got videos coming out. They'll probably go out till January, the Savannah ones, but that's okay. Every now and then, if we do a newer video, we'll slip it in there to let you know we're okay. If we see something that we just want to get out immediately, we'll do it right away. So you
Or
might see some double videos.
Yeah, or if we happen to, come across something we think's interesting and we do a video on it and try to get it out, Yeah. So just be patient with us because there's a lot going to be coming your way.
Yeah, because we'll start planning for next year's adventures.
Yeah.
Hopefully we go to new places.
Yeah.
And you guys enjoy new places to go eat, sightsee, paranormal, seeing, cooking, cleaning,
a lot of cooking,
yard work.
Yeah, I'm already thinking I need to get out there and start doing some stuff. So,
So, like I said,
just never ends.
We'll definitely shoot out some second videos, and then hopefully everything will get caught up to where it's daily, all over again, to where we're caught up and you're up to date. But again, don't be scared to send something in the P.O. box. We appreciate it. If
we sure do.
You're out of town or something and you went somewhere nice and you see a nice postcard, say, hey, look, we're here on vacation. Just wanted to share this postcard with you. I mean, you never know. We might go visit that place. So.
Yep. So until the next video, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya. And
another thing is a lot of our trips we've been going up north. There's a possibility we're going west, young man. We're going west.
Yeah.